Kafang! Hanap nyo ba ay resorts na kung saan na pwede kayong makapagdiwang na kahit anong-anong okasyon? Tara na! Dito sa Blue Coral Beach Resort. If you want a best view, choose a beachfront rooms. Stunning beachfront to enjoy the sun and beach water. They also have Instagrammable coffee shop, inside which they can offer a lot of pastries. A perfect destination to spend your holidays. Come and visit Blue Coral Beach Resort.